In this video, I am going to enumerate the top 10 most common cause of vomiting in dogs and cats. This can be serious and not so serious. Number 1, overeating or eating very fast. Just like people, dog or cat who eat too much or too quickly might throw up. And if this is the cause of vomiting, the fix is simple. Help them eat slowly and do not overfeed them. Number 2, consumption of garbage or foreign object. Your dogs and cats may ingest an object that can pass down the esophagus but unable to pass out of the stomach or along the intestine. This is known as gastrointestinal foreign body. Number 3 cause of vomiting is infection. This can be viral or bacterial infection. And vomiting is only one of the most common signs of the disease, along with stomach pain, diarrhea, inappetence, and a lot more. Number 4, parasitism. There are several types of parasite that can cause vomiting to your pets. This can be esophageal worm, stomach worm, or intestinal worm, which is the most common one. That's why your veterinarian will always advise you to have your pet deworm at least every 3 months. Is motion sickness. Common problem usually associated with car rides and side effect of some medication that is your pet taking, or usually after being sedated after their surgery. And then this is usually resolved after 24 to 48 hours. Number 6, kidney failure. Vomiting is actually one of the most common signs that can be observed in patients with kidney failure. When your pet's kidney fail, toxins such as ammonia and nitrogen can build up in their bodies. This will result to nausea and decreased appetite along with vomiting. Number 7, liver disease. There are several signs that can indicate that your pet has liver disease, and one of them is vomiting, as your pet's liver loses its ability to function properly. Number 8 cause of vomiting is poisoning. This is not very easy to diagnose in dogs and cats, especially if the owner failed to observe the pets at home. There are several types of poisoning. It can be food poisoning, chemical poisoning, or overdosing of some medications. These three all results to vomiting. Number 9 cause of vomiting is inflammation of the pancreas, or also known as pancreatitis. This is very common in dogs, and this can be acute or chronic condition. Number 10, Megaesophagus. This is most common in dogs than in cats. Megaesophagus is a disorder in which esophagus gets larger in size and loses its ability to transport food. So with this condition, the most prominent sign is either vomiting or regurgitation. And most common associated with this is a condition called myasthenia gravis.